Andaman and Nicobar Islands, a union territory of India, comprise 572 islands, islets, and rocks in the Bay of Bengal and lie about 1,200 kilometers from the Indian mainland. In the recruitment year 2025 to 26, the Recruiting Office Chennai, under the aegis of the Zonal Recruiting Office, launched a series of outreach programs and established 6 registration camps, 2 in each district, spanning from Diglipur, the northernmost point, to Camp Bell Bay, the southernmost tip, thereby covering the entire stretch of the islands to facilitate the application process for aspiring candidates. These efforts resulted in a notable increase in registrations from the Union Territory. Going a step further, Zonal Recruiting Office Chennai took a historical initiative with the name Delhi to Dweep and scheduled Army recruitment rally at 2 locations in the Andaman-Nicobar Islands, providing a unique platform to the youth of these proud islands to join the nation's finest fighting force. Rallies are scheduled at Sri Vijayapuram, 08-10 October 2025, for candidates from North Middle Andaman and South Andaman districts, and at Camp Bell Bay, 14-15 October 2025, for candidates from the Nicobar district, ensuring that even the youth from the farthest southernmost islands have equal access to this life-changing opportunity. Delhi to Dweep is more than a slogan. It is a living testament to the Indian Army's unshakable resolve to unite the nation from its heartland to its remotest frontiers. It reflects the spirit of inclusivity, integration, and the Army's tireless commitment to ensure that opportunities to serve the motherland reach every citizen, no matter how distant their home may be. The Indian Army is not just offering a career, it is offering a path of honor, sacrifice, and glory. Wearing the uniform is not merely about employment, it is about embracing a life of discipline, respect, and service to the nation. Every rally stands as a gateway for the youth to transform their aspirations into reality, bringing pride to their families and strengthening the bond between these distant islands and the heart of India. We call upon the spirited youth of the Andaman-Nicobar Islands to come forward, participate with enthusiasm, and make these rallies a resounding success. Your journey to honor begins here. The nation awaits. Step forward. Jai Hind.